In this video, we're going to show you how to bury the aquifer pipes. Now that you have them all level, it's time to start burying them. Now it's very important you just don't start throwing dirt right on top of them. You'll make them unlevel if you did that. You have to remember there are gaps underneath the aquifer pipes. You want to do this slowly so that you can tuck the dirt underneath it. So the first thing that we do is we just put dirt on the sides of them. Then the next thing is we come in with our hands and we push the dirt underneath them. You could also use the trowel if you need to get more dirt in and scoop it underneath them. And you slowly work from the end of the pipe all the way to the front. And once you've got the pipe all nice and tucked, now you can start just putting dirt right on top of it. The next step is to connect the aquifer pipe to the header pipe. So we'll see you on the next video.